You can now easily install Android apps on Windows 11 with the new open source tool. Now you don't want to struggle with the command lines and other things. So there is an application now available, and using that you can install any Android apps on your Windows 11. WSA PacMan. Amazon's App Store is not as huge as the Play Store, and only a limited number of Android apps can be officially downloaded. So in that case, you can install this particular app, that is WSA PacMan, and install any Android apps. So for getting that, you have to go to the GitHub page. This is the page from where you have to download that exe. This is an open source third party from a developer. This name is WSA PacMan version 1.1.1, and I'll share the GitHub download link in the description. You can download it from there. Now from here you have to go and download the WSA PacMan installer exe. I'm just downloading it. So I have just downloaded and I'm running that installer. Just giving it no, I will restart it later. Now after that, just go and open the WSA PacMan. You'll get it from here. As you can see that after installation it will show here. Just click on the WSA PacMan. It will show that it is automatically connected to the WSA. As I said, you have to, if you haven't installed the WSA Windows subsystem for Android in your Windows 11, you have to install that. Now when you open the WSA PacMan, it will automatically connect to the WSA inside the system. That here, if you search for Windows subsystem, you can see that the Windows subsystem is now running. This you can download from the Microsoft App Store. That is available there. You can see that it will be connected here. This is here. You can see that the WSA Pack Manager is connected to the WSA. This is for WSA PacMan, and this is connected to the WSA now. In this UI, the PacMan app will automatically connect to the WSA because it uses the default port, that is 58526. That you can see it from here. You can see that it is 58526. This is the one that is connected. This is the default port of WSA. And it will automatically, this interface will automatically connect to that port. Now once it is connected and running, you have to go to the location where you have the APK. So I'm going to install the Clean Master APK. So just double click on it and it will ask through which package you want to install it. I'm selecting the WSA Package Manager. I'm just clicking on OK. Now it will open here. Just click on install. Now you can see that it will show the message that the application Clean Master was successfully installed. Now if you want to create the shortcut, you can use that. It will create a shortcut. Then you can open the app. Now here you can see that now the Android app is now installed in the Windows 11 using the WSA PacMan. So this is how you can simply install the Android apps in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.